Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. To my old and new subscribers, thank you guys so much for your love and support. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this hairstyle. So for those of you that don't know, I just cut my hair a few days ago. So I had this passion twist at home that was sent by Leeven hair on AliExpress. So I've had this hair for a while now, but I didn't know what to do with it, or I wasn't ready to use it just yet. So after cutting my hair, I was thinking of the hairstyle to do, and then I remembered that I had passion twist at home, and thinking about it, cutting my hair and having that type of hair that doesn't last long underneath braids. So I was thinking of what to do with this hairstyle, and then I thought to myself, why don't you use the passion twist to thread your hair and thread it halfway and then twist it, like thread it up to the length of your natural hair and then twist it. So I went to the bathroom and I tried one out and it looked really beautiful, so I went ahead and did my entire head, and this is the result. So let me give you guys a close-up of what the hair looks like. So this is it. I'm actually going through postpartum shedding at the moment, so for the front hair I didn't apply pressure at all. As you can see, it's very loose because I don't want to break all my front hair. And then I went ahead and laid down my baby hair. As you can see, if you don't know how to grip your hair, or you don't know how to twist, and also you don't want to use a rubber band method, then this method is definitely for you. It's going to help you stretch your hair and grow your hair underneath your passion twist. This method will be really amazing for those of us with short hair, and also if you don't know how to grip your hair from the roots and you don't want to use rubber band method as well, so this method will definitely be for you. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into this video. I bought this detangling brush at a €1 store in Germany when I went there for shopping this morning. So here's my 2-strand of passion twist, and I'm going to take the hair like so, and then place the passion twist on it like this. Hold this side down together with your natural hair, and then you're going to take this other side and start you can do it as tight as do it as tight as you want. I'm not going to be doing my own too tight. Like I said before, I'm starting a natural hair journey, and I'm just trying to do everything possible to protect my hair from any damage. So you just continue wrapping it tight to your natural hair and to this other one until you get to the tip, until you get to where your natural hair stops. Okay, so my natural hair is still showing, so I'll continue wrapping it. So right now I can no longer see my natural hair. That is when I'll start twisting both passion twists together. First, you want to twist it tight so you secure your natural hair. Now you can start doing the loose twist.
the streets a few months. I'm trying to pick myself up.
So this is what it should look like.
And although my flaws had dragged me down on the coldest night, I'm still kicking around. Then I saw you back before my time was shortened. No, throughout my life you've called me a renegade. Throughout my life you said we could start again, but I'm a renegade of your love.
So that my hair will stay together.
But I'm a renegade of your love. Renegade of your love. But I'm a renegade of your throughout my life you called me a renegade, a renegade, a renegade, a renegade, I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you begin to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I'll stay. I'll stay. Just take a leap of faith. We'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. I feel it again. I feel it again. I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay. I will stay, because I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense. tell